Hi, my name's Sandra Fitzgerald. I'm a pharmacist and I'm one of the clinical editors with Hunter New England Community Health Pathways. I'm sure most of you know what Health Pathways is all about, but for those of you who aren't as familiar, Health Pathways is an online portal of information that will help you assess and manage patients with varying medical conditions, and also articulates really clearly how to refer to different specialists and different services within our health system. Health Pathways may be particularly important and useful for pharmacists and other allied health professionals during this current COVID-19 pandemic, as we are updating the pathways every day with the most up-to-date information and are a one source of truth for our whole primary health network. When you go onto Health Pathways, you'll see on the very front homepage a link to the COVID-19 suite of pathways. And there are a number of them there. The ones that I think that might be particularly interesting for pharmacists are some aspects of the practice management pathway, and that shows you how to use PPE appropriately and has some other information that you might find helpful. The assessment and management pathways are also particularly interesting. They have the up-to-date current testing advice, particularly around areas that New South Wales Health have highlighted for increased surveillance and testing. What the current testing requirements are, the self-isolation requirements, and down the bottom there is a for patients section that has a very comprehensive suite of information that you can print out or direct patients to. This is also available on our companion patient info site that you can give to patients. Another page that you might find interesting is the COVID-19 information page, and this has got all the links to local, state, national and international guidance that is evidence-based, up-to-date, and has been vetted by our clinical editing team to be something of particular use and validity. When patients walk into the pharmacy that look like they might need testing for COVID, you might find the COVID-19 referral page particularly useful, because that's got all the testing sites, private and public, in your local area for the whole local health district. We also have on there the fact sheet about how patients can register for the SMS service if they're using one of the public COVID-19 testing clinics. On our assessment and management pathways, we also have the latest evidence around medication use in COVID-19, and this includes the evidence behind whether medications might enhance the transmission of COVID-19, the evidence around what medications have been tested as being beneficial in COVID-19. We've also linked to the Clinical Excellence Commission medication information specifically around COVID-19, particularly around some of the medication shortages that we're currently experiencing. On every page we have a feedback button, so please, if there's something on there that you think that should be on there that isn't, or something you would like to tell us about, or another link that you'd like to have there, whatever, just let us know and we will get back to you same day and make any necessary changes. If you would like to get onto Health Pathways and you don't currently have access, just log on the URL on the screen and we will organise access for you.